Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll cover its Morr 5% solution uses, benefits, side effects, how to use it, and how it works. Let's dive right in. Manufactured by Intas Pharmaceuticals Ltd. Morr 5% solution. Uses. Morr 5% solution is primarily used for the treatment of hereditary hair loss. It can also be prescribed for conditions like hypertension, high blood pressure, and heart failure in some cases. Benefits. The main benefit of Morr 5% solution is its ability to prevent further hair loss and stimulate hair regrowth. It works by increasing blood flow to the hair follicles, which prevents hair cell death and promotes new hair growth. It's particularly effective for thinning or baldness at the top of the scalp, though it's less effective for receding hairlines or hair loss at the front. Side effects. While Morr 5% solution is generally effective, it can cause side effects. Common side effects include itching, rash, and dermatitis. Some people may experience chest pain, headache, excessive hair growth, weight gain, fluid retention, or tachycardia. If any side effects persist or worsen, consult your doctor immediately. How to use. Use Morr 5% solution as directed by your doctor. Check the label for specific instructions. Apply the solution directly to the affected areas of your scalp and avoid washing your hair for at least 4 hours after application to ensure maximum absorption. How it works? Morr 5% solution is a potassium channel opener. When applied to the scalp, it promotes vasodilation or the expansion of blood vessels, increasing blood flow to the hair follicles. This delivers more nutrients and oxygen to the follicles, preventing hair cell death and stimulating new hair growth.